Hello viewers, welcome to GV Explorer. Today's our interesting video is Pineapple Kesari. This is a popular sweet made in South India, especially in marriage functions. With just rava, also called as suji rava, and pineapple, sugar and ghee as main ingredients. This sweet will get ready in few minutes. It's very easy to prepare and have pineapple taste and flavor. Without adding any food color or artificial flavor, we can prepare this recipe. This is more natural and flavorful and unique recipe. Let's get started and check out the recipe. Take a steel vessel and add 3 glasses of water and boil it till the bubbles appear as shown here, and then keep it aside. Now take a thick bottom pan, add half cup of ghee, mix it well. Once the ghee gets melted, add a small cup of cashews, stir it and fry it well in a medium flame until it turns into golden brown color. Here we can add any dry fruits available in your kitchen. Once the cashews get fried, just keep it aside. Now add a little bunch of kismis and fry this well into medium flame. Once it gets bulged, then keep it aside. Now slowly add 1 cup of suji rava and fry it well till it gets roasted. Stir quickly and briskly so that lumps will not get formed. Now, as we see here, the rava gets roasted properly and we are ready to go for the next step. Now, slowly add the boiled water into small portions and stir it gently. In this step, we have to be sure that there will not be any lumps or getting formed. Mix it gently. Now in this stage, add the pineapple puree and add small pieces of pineapple slices and mix it well. Now add 1½ cup of sugar and mix it again. Keep on stir. Now add a little pinch of ilachi powder and mix it well. Now we can feel the aroma of ilachi. And we are very close to the recipe. Now add the roasted cashews and kismis. Keep on stir until we get the thick consistency. We have to be sure that the pineapple gets cooked evenly so that our recipe will be accurate and will have tremendous taste. Here in this recipe, the main advantage is adding pineapple slices and puree. Usually in hotels, to get the taste, they will add food flavors, but we ignored that option. Now our tasty and delicious pineapple kesari is ready. Garnish with the remaining roasted cashews and kismis. Serve this hot pineapple kesari with your family members. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting and upcoming videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.